Hi everybody. Today's run is a bit of a hybrid of what is my usual daily route. I will be meeting Kurt in about 20 minutes at the Anera Center as usual. Then we will proceed to the Tac Road and on to the Sumalong Circle. But instead of parting ways at Shopwise, we will remain together for another trip back down the Tac Road, where we will meet up with our friend Jerry, who has some running shoes for Kurt. That will conclude our run, because running while carrying a box is a little bit too difficult. All in all, it will still be about 17 kilometers, so that is about right for a midweek run. Well, here we go. Another day running with Kurt. Just an easy day today. Still recovering from Monday. Morning, Kurt. Kind of busy here. Something going on. Another day at the bottom of the Tac Road with Kurt. Went a little bit faster today down the hill. It's kind of dark, not many lights on. But that's good.
It's a good pace though.
What's that?
A good pace.
Yeah, it was.
Four.
On the Tac Road again, second time today. Almost at our meeting with Jerry, so Kurt's running out of energy. Hang in there. We're almost done.
It's burning, bro.
Oh, is this him here? Hey, brother.
How you doing?
We weren't sure you were coming.
Hey, Kurt. Kumusta?
Hi, everyone. It's Thursday, October 2nd, and it's another training run with Kurt. He'll be trying out his new Adidas running shoes, so I'm sure he'll be excited and wanting to run really fast. As usual, I'll be starting my run at my village of Nayan Silangan, and then it's on to the Anera Center to meet up with Kurt. As it's a weekday run, we will keep it under 20 kilometers and try to pick up the pace. Hopefully, nobody will get too tired. Managing your energy is vital on a hilly route. Don't sprint down the hills if it'll make you suffer too much on the climb. Here we go again. These trucks are so cool. What's that like to do? Off to meet Kurt. You got new runners yesterday from Jerry, so he should be happy. Morning. You should get to know all the security guards, all the vendors, But it's hard to keep the camera still. The stabilization programs don't work so great. So I just do a little bit of this. Wouldn't be Kamote runner if I wasn't running in track. Folks, Jackson Crossing. Well, then I just have to warn it. Keep you on your toes. And it's a tack road. Here's still going. We're gonna go further than yesterday.
Wala, palabot na pa naman sa ako.
Up the hills. I'll go and find. Or maybe not. Alright, going past the school. Kind of a gong show. Crazy busy.
Back in the village. A good run with Kurt. It's getting better. Got, what was it? 17 days to the 10K that he's entered. So, just a stepping stone. Get a half decent result, and we can build on that. It's the Marine Corps run, not ATC. I like to enter the 50K though. I think I'm ready for it. We'll see. Well, that's that. Another good run. I don't know how far it was, 18, 19, or 20. Strava's kind of sketchy sometimes. But the boy did good. Do the same thing again tomorrow. A little bit further, a little bit faster.
Another couple of running days are done. I'll probably be on my own for the weekend as Kurt is going to be training with the CSR running team. All in all, it was a great couple of training days, which Kurt made great strides. I know, bad pun. He seemed pleased with his new Adidas kicks as he was flying. It was helpful for me as well because his fast days enables me to work on my pace also. Well, as usual, I'm grateful for all you viewers. Please remember to click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you.